Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Is that salted egg? Tomorrow.
Wala
Where
ito
did you
kahapon.
get it? Where?
Yung pinakauna ka. Katabi po nitong... this one. Ang tapin pa ko na.
Chemical research, medical treatment, teaching.
By on the road. So there is a different railroad. Now you can understand it, the meaning.
That's my labubu kasi I'm not a fan of labubu. I don't like labubu. 11 and 10.
Na doon magsisimula yung paglalayarin ng barko papunta doon sa Antarctica. Yung dadaanan sila sa 8 seas or 7 seas, whatever, na ma-waving.
Scripted. Yung I don't like, there was...
purpose make the taste to come out faster. So later when I'm making the tea, I don't need to wait for any times for the tasting. But when you do it at home, steep the leaves into the water about 3 to 5 minutes can get a similar taste.
Yan, naka-roll. Hindi leaves. Kasi marami tayo.
After meal to drink it can help us to clean with greasy food to reduce the belly for lose weight. We don't suggest you use too much tea before have a meal. Maybe tea will open your appetite, you will eat more.
Oh no.
So after meal to drink it is better. Okay. Rose tea also is the beauty tea. Roses has a lot of vitamin C. Often used as good for skin. Beauty skin.
Chang.